It is to focus on one thing to the extreme. It's decades of persistence, striving for perfection after thousands of impulses. In the imprint of time, abide by original intention, keep moving forward firmly, inheriting the spirit of craftsman, achieve extraordinary business. Dongguan Sanni Electronics Technology Corporation Limited, founded in 2011. We focus on R&D, production and sales of potentiometers, coded switch, rotary switch, RCA power amplifier terminals for automobiles. From source material design to mold development, we work with our customers to solve technical challenges, provide customized solutions. The company owns a 12,000 square meter modern factory building. After 13 years of development, now in Situa, Guangdong sets up 3 major manufacturing bases and a research and development center. As a national high-tech enterprise, we have won more than 20 technical patents, various products, recognized as a high-tech product in Guangdong province. We create quality with ingenuity, innovation-driven development, through cooperation with renowned domestic institutions. Continuously explore cutting-edge technologies in the industry. The leading products cover for series, potentiometers widely used in players, musical instruments and meters car stereos, household appliances, toys, etc. Encoders, services in communications equipment, walkie-talkies and other fields. Band switch, used for home appliances, mixers and other equipment. RCA connector for power amplifier and speaker volume input and output. More than 80 specifications. Products with stability and excellent quality. Exported to more than 70 countries and regions around the world, contributing to the rise of national industry. Only for each product to become a boutique. We focus on the high-end electronics industry, transformation and upgrading, relying on 5G plus industrial internet technology, automated equipment, close integration with smart factories, to empower the industrial chain. Fully embrace the era of Industry 4.0. All products of the company. 100% fully 3D simulated molding. From design, injection molding, hardware, die, casting processing, to assembly, test packaging. Really achieve quality. Fully autonomous data management over the years. We listen to every voice of our customers. Meeting customer needs. It is our most cherished work pursuit. The company strictly enforces ISO 9001:2015's quality management system. Apply precision test instruments, implement strict processing, controls to ensure that product quality exceeds customers' expectations. Talent is the most precious tip in victory, we firmly believe. A great product comes from a great team. The company has established a dual-channel promotion mechanism. Create a team that dares to explore and innovate. Striving, grateful team with collective intelligence to promote enterprises towards specialization and internationalization.